Hey guys, it's me, Jan, CEO of Acquire.Fi, bringing you the latest news, what's happening in crypto. Yesterday, we were trying to break the all-time highs again, or break the 70K level, but unfortunately, we did not succeed. So because of this, I see two options happening. We are either going to try to break it the fourth time and go over 70,000 and stay there, or we will break down. Now, some positive things have been happening. First of all, the Bitcoin ETF flows have been positive now almost for 30 days straight. That's crazy because we calculated that the average amount of BTC taken up or taken out from ETFs is around 2,000, and we are only producing 450 per day. So that's a huge supply shock coming. If this will go around for 100 more days, or let's say 10 more days, I mean, you guys understand what will happen with the price. But there's still some negative news that I want to cover and show you guys. First of all, the open interest have been very high. RSI is starting to move a little bit down, both on the daily and weekly. If we go to the week also, let's see here. Yep, we're starting to show a little bit weakness here. Second of all, we've been trying to break the 70K channel for a while. We've been trying to attempt now 3 times. That's not good. That's usually on the fourth time we see a breakup or a breakdown, and usually it means also that there's a lot of leverage. And as I showed you before on this video, there's a lot of open interest now, and usually when there's a lot of open interest, we see two things happening. We go parabolic, or we break down and go absolutely to, let's say, 62 and 60K. So expect something big to happen this week. There's also the job market report coming out. So if the job market report is positive, we're going to pump. If it's negative, we're going to go down. So something to think about there. On another note, I think what was interesting here is the ETF, what to expect on the ETH ETFs. So I talked about this before. Grayscale has more than $9 billion worth of ETH to dump. And we seen from Bitcoin ETFs what Grayscale has been doing. They've been dumping a lot. They started with 550,000 BTC, and now they are on less than 300,000. Now, I expect the same thing happen with Ethereum ETF. I think it's sell the news event. I think we're gonna pump a little bit more. Let's go to ETFs here, Ethereum. And see what's happening. So I see something like this happening. We go up, 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 and then on the event itself, we start going down a little bit. And then after a while, we start pumping up. But yeah, I would not speculate a lot on ETH. I've been very positive. I was very bullish before. On this run, I was saying like, hey, we're going to go to 4,500 or even 6,000 in the end of April. Unfortunately, that did not happen. So we're trying to again go to 4,500, 6,000 levels. But yeah, I wouldn't expect it to happen before August. Usually August, September is when all the bullish things happen. So let's stay tuned. And on another note, there's a lot of the Bitcoin dominance is going up again. And usually, and especially people that trade on memes, usually when Bitcoin dominance is going up, it means that all the memes are going down. And we saw this yesterday. Bitcoin dominance is going up and all the memes are starting to crumble. So it's a very good opportunity to soon to buy again on memes if you guys are trading on memes. I'm not going to cover them that much on this video, but maybe later on. But yeah, they're quite correlated on the Bitcoin dominance. Memes have overall, this market has been basically the play to go. So kudos and congrats to people that have been trading memes. You guys made a ton of money. That's good. On another note, which I think it's important, is that on-chain, the word on-chain on Google has hit all-time high. And people are finally understanding or starting to understand what on-chain means. It means that you can actually track whatever is happening with the money. And this is something that the youth should be understanding. And the more you understand the banking system that you can't really see behind the scenes, the more you understand, like, hey, how corrupt is it? So I think this is very important, but this also sees, or this is an indicator that, hey, normal people are starting to get into market. So I could expect something in June and August starting to be more bullish. But if the ETF flows are starting to be like they are, and we see BTC trying to break the 70K level again, we could see BTC going all-time high before July. But I think there's going to be a breakdown. I think there's too much open interest out there. We need to flush the open interest and then try again. But yeah, very, very happy about the market so far. On another note, which I'm very happy about and excited, is that one of our investment, Trailblaze, is coming out today. So people who are in the tier 5 community, you guys had the chance to invest. Congrats, we doubled our money already. And I see they've been getting quite a lot of traction. They have good launches coming up. And people that invested, you guys can invest into these different launches that they're launching. So let's see what will happen. But yeah, I'm very happy with this investment, and I'm going to be supporting them on the launch. But people who don't know, we at Acquire and Acquire New Ventures let you get into pre-seed and angel rounds. And this is the same rounds that VCs would get into. This is like pre level before IDOs or anything else. Usually I have to wait a little bit longer, but the return of investment is higher. Obviously, this is not financial advice, and we are pretty picky at the moment what we invest in. So please stay tuned and please join our channel to learn more. Other than that, I wish you guys a good day.